What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She on the road, shorty, dripping, that's Christian Dior. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she move like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her own, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her own, shorty ain't tripping, she got her own. Shorty, she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with Megalook Hair. I received a 13x4 lace, dark purple, straight 26-inch, 180 density. I kind of feel like this hair is way thicker than that, because y'all, this hair for 26 inches, this hair is so freaking full. And y'all, this hair is silky. You guys know I've never had any bad things to say about Megalook Hair, y'all. I don't think I ever received like a bad batch of hair from them. And y'all, you guys already know what I'm going to say. I highly recommend Megalook Hair. This hair is thick, y'all. For this to be 180 density, this is thick. And especially for it to be 26 inches, oh, this is real thick. So you guys, if you guys are interested on how I got this look, continue watching if you're interested in this same exact wig. The link is going to be down below. Also, y'all, they are having a big Black Friday sale, so head over to their website, which is going to be down below, and get y'all a wig. Like, let's go. Even if it's not this wig, y'all, get y'all a wig. We all know we love a sale, so y'all go ahead and copy a wig. Don't miss out on the biggest sale, up to $150 off. Also, you guys know I got y'all with a coupon code. My coupon code is going to be right here on the screen, so you guys get a little more money off. But that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 70K, man. Let's get it, let's go, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.